The smartphone industry is ever evolving, and Vivo continues to push boundaries with its latest flagship, the Vivo X100 Pro. Breaking away from the Snapdragon trend, this device introduces the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chip, promising a unique and powerful user experience. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the key features that make the Vivo X100 Pro stand out in the crowded market. Design and innovation. The Vivo X100 Pro doesn't just follow trends, it sets them. Embracing a distinctive sun and moon design language. Users can choose from intriguing options like the sunset orange with vegan leather or the star trail blue with a captivating glass back. At a sleek 9.1mm thickness, this phone houses stereo speakers, a USB Type-C port, and maintains an IP rating for water resistance. Unprecedented performance. Vivo leaves no stone unturned in ensuring top-notch performance. The X100 Pro boasts the first-ever utilization of MediaTek's flagship Dimensity 9300 chip, paired with an impressive 1TB of LPDDR5 RAM. This combination not only sets speed records but also promises a smooth multitasking experience. However, it's crucial to note a stability concern during gaming, with the device scoring only 40% in stability tests. Display brilliance and security. The display is the window to a smartphone's soul, and the X100 Pro excels in this department. Sporting a 1.5K OLED display with minimal edge curvature, users can enjoy reduced discoloration. A 10-bit panel, 120Hz refresh rate, and 2160Hz PWM dimming support elevate the visual experience. The display's brightness peaks at 700 nits, manual mode, and an impressive 3000 nits for HDR. To ensure secure access, an optical fingerprint scanner is seamlessly integrated beneath the display, energizing the experience. A Powerhouse needs a robust energy source, and the Vivo X100 Pro doesn't disappoint. With a substantial 5400 mAh battery, users can expect prolonged usage without the constant need for recharging. What's truly groundbreaking is the 120W wired charging capability, taking the phone from zero to full charge in just 30 minutes. Additionally, the phone supports 50W proprietary wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging. Photographic prowess. Vivo has always been synonymous with exceptional camera capabilities, and the X100 Pro proudly continues this tradition. The camera array, featuring a 50MP Sony IMX989 primary sensor with optical stabilization and an f/1.75 lens, captures breathtaking moments with impressive dynamic range and bokeh effects. Users can choose from 3 shooting options: vivid, textured, and size natural, and enjoy extensive portrait customization features. Videography redefined. For the videography enthusiasts, the X100 Pro supports 4K 60 frames per second recording across all 3 lenses. Stability remains a strong suit even at high zoom levels, reaching an impressive 100x. 2 secondary sensors, a 4.3x telephoto lens and an ultra-wide lens, contribute to the device's versatility. The telephoto lens pulls double duty, also functioning as a telephoto macro for stunning close-ups. Mixed impressions and future prospects. Despite the device's impressive camera features, a notable concern arises with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chip's stability during gaming. Scoring only 40%. This prompts a mixed opinion from reviewers, who appreciate the camera capabilities but express reservations about performance. A forward-looking recommendation suggests waiting for a rumored Pro Plus version, drawing parallels with the successful X90 Pro Plus model from the previous year. Conclusion. The Vivo X100 Pro emerges as a trailblazer in the smartphone landscape, introducing innovative features and setting new standards. Its design, performance, display brilliance, and exceptional camera system make it a compelling option for users seeking a holistic smartphone experience. However, potential buyers are advised to consider the stability concerns during gaming and weigh their priorities accordingly. As technology advances, Vivo continues to push the boundaries of what a smartphone can achieve, leaving us eagerly anticipating what the future holds for the X100 Pro and its potential successors.